Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the fascinating stories that surround us. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to have you join me on this journey of discovery. Today, we're going to take a step back in time to an era when monsters roamed the earth. Not the mythical creatures of legend, but real-life beasts that would make your imagination run wild. Meet Bolg, a recently discovered extinct lizard that's shedding new light on life in North America around 75 million years ago. This ancient creature, dubbed a monster-saur, is like nothing you've ever seen before. With its goblin-like teeth and sheddable tail, it's a reptile that would have struck fear into the hearts of any predator that crossed its path. Imagine a creature, about 3 or 4 feet long, with a skull adorned with bony armor, and a tail that could be discarded at will to escape from danger. It's a truly remarkable find, and one that's giving us a glimpse into a world that's both familiar and yet utterly alien. The discovery of Bolg was made possible by the careful excavation of fossils found in Utah, which were initially thought to be those of a known prehistoric lizard. But as researchers took a closer look, they realized that they had stumbled upon something much more significant. The fossilized remains, including parts of the skull, vertebral column, jawbone, and hip bone, told a story of a creature that was both fierce and adaptable. So, what would have been on the menu for this ancient predator? Well, it's likely that Bolg would have feasted on small mammals, frogs, snakes, insects, and even dinosaur eggs. It's a testament to the diversity of life on Earth, and a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we learn more about Bolg and its place in the natural world, we're also reminded of the fragility of life on Earth. This creature, like so many others, is now extinct, a victim of a changing environment that it could not adapt to. It's a cautionary tale, one that encourages us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the natural world, and to do our part in preserving it for future generations. And that's just the beginning of our journey on Nature Walk today. We'll be exploring more fascinating stories from the natural world, from the latest discoveries in the field of conservation to the incredible adaptations of creatures that continue to inspire and amaze us. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're excited to dive into our middle segment today. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of nature, we're going to talk about the impact of climate change on marine life in the UK. You might have heard that the UK seas are warming up at an alarming rate, with some areas experiencing temperatures up to 4 degrees warmer than usual. This is having a profound effect on the creatures that call these waters home. Researchers at the Centre for Environment, Fisheries and Aquaculture Science have been studying how 19 threatened marine species will respond to climate change in UK seas. The results are quite surprising. While some species, like native oysters, basking sharks, and spur-dog sharks, are expected to thrive in new habitats, others, like the ocean quahog, a type of clam that can live over 500 years, are predicted to struggle. In fact, the sea pen, a small creature that helps build reefs, could lose up to 40% of its suitable habitat by the end of the century. It's a mixed bag, really. On one hand, it's exciting to think about the possibility of seeing more of these incredible creatures in UK waters. On the other hand, it's clear that climate change is having a profound impact on the delicate balance of our marine ecosystems. As Dr. Townhill from Cephas pointed out, while some species may find new homes, they still need to be protected from other threats like fishing equipment, disease, and pollution. The movement of these marine species will likely have a knock-on effect on coastal communities in the North Sea, including, potentially, bigger fish catches. But it's essential that we manage our seas carefully and reduce other pressures if we want these creatures to thrive in their new habitats. As we consider the implications of climate change on our oceans, it's clear that there's still much work to be done to protect these incredible ecosystems. The UK government will need to take a careful approach to ensuring that marine protected areas continue to safeguard species as they adapt to changing conditions. That's all for this segment of Nature Walk. It's a complex and fascinating topic, and we'll continue to explore the intricacies of climate change and its impact on our natural world in future episodes. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating realm of scientific discovery, I'd like to share with you a captivating story that highlights the intricate dance between molecular mechanisms and cellular processes. Today, we're going to delve into the world of DNA replication and explore the crucial role of an enzyme called USP37. Researchers have made a groundbreaking finding that sheds light on how USP37 prevents premature disassembly of stressed replisomes by TRAPE. But what does this mean exactly? Imagine you're on a hike and you come across a complex network of trails. Each trail represents a different molecular pathway, and the hikers navigating these trails are enzymes and proteins working together to replicate DNA. USP37 is like a seasoned guide who ensures that the replysome, a molecular machine responsible for replicating DNA, stays on track even when faced with obstacles. TRAPE, on the other hand, is like a strong wind that can disrupt the delicate balance of the replysome. If left unchecked, TRAPE can cause the replysome to disassemble prematurely, leading to errors in DNA replication and potentially harmful consequences for the cell. The study reveals that USP37 counteracts TRAPE's disruptive effects by modifying its activity, allowing the replysome to continue its vital work. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of cellular processes and may even lead to new insights into cancer research and therapy. As we wrap up this episode of Nature Walk, I want to leave you with a sense of awe and appreciation for the intricate mechanisms that govern life at the molecular level. The natural world is full of complex systems and processes that are still waiting to be discovered and explored. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.